Hi everyone, it's Kell, and today we will be winterizing our hair by doing a hot oil treatment. This is when our hair just needs that extra TLC. You can do hot oil treatments as often as you like. I do mine about every 3 weeks to monthly, just because my hair is very dry during this season. So why do you want to do a hot oil treatment? Well, there's several benefits to doing it. It helps to stimulate hair growth, tame frizz, and just restore moisture back into the scalp and into your strands. So let's talk about the oils you'll need to do this hot oil treatment. So first up is olive oil. I absolutely love olive oil. I use it for every one of my hot oil treatments. I love it because it has anti-inflammatory properties, which is great to fight dandruff and just nurture a healthy scalp. And then it also is a great oil to use just to retain moisture in the hair. Next we have macadamia oil, which I absolutely love to help control my frizz. It's also good for dullness, and again, it's one of the oils that helps to keep your hair moisturized. Next we have rosehip oil, which is also a really good oil to have in your arsenal because it helps to hydrate the scalp and get rid of any type of dandruff that you may be experiencing and eliminate any type of flaking that comes with the dandruff. It's also it's not as greasy as other oils, which is great because it allows your skin or your scalp to really absorb the product thoroughly. And then lastly we have peppermint oil, which is a great essential oil to have to help promote hair growth. It balances your hair's pH level, and then it just smells amazing. If you want to smell like a peppermint, get some peppermint oil. So this is the applicator I'll be using. It's just a plastic applicator that has a great nozzle at the end. Okay, to begin, we're gonna start off with 3 ounces of olive oil. And hey, don't you dare criticize my nails. I got a little jazzy with them, okay? Then we'll do ½ ounce of macadamia oil and ½ ounce of rosehip oil. Lastly, I'm gonna put about 10 drops of the peppermint oil in my applicator and then just mix it all up as good as I can. So I'm just gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Next, we'll move on to warming up our oil. I have my bowl, I have my applicator, I've boiled my water, and I'm gonna pour my water into my bowl and let the oil sit in the water for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm not gonna put this in the microwave because you'll lose all of the goodness if you put it in the microwave. So let it sit in there for a while, and then after that, we're gonna go and apply the oil to our hair. So I'm gonna begin by sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. This just makes it easier for me to apply the oil. As you can see, my hair is very dry and in desperate need of some TLC. I have some flakes in the front because I've been wearing gel in my hair all week. Anyway, I'm gonna start with putting the oil on my scalp. Massage the oil in there. You want to make sure that you give the ends of your hair as much TLC as possible because, as you know, that is the oldest part of our hair. You just want to make sure you just give it some extra loving. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and section this part of my hair off and move to the other side and do the exact same thing. Apply the oil to my scalp just to make sure that I really massage the oil in there and get rid of any dryness that my scalp may have. And just massage it in there and then work from there, from the roots down to the tips of my hair. And just pour on the oil onto my strands generously. Then I'm going to move to the back of my hair, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing. Put the oil on my scalp and just massage it in. So I'm just going to make sure I detangle my hair while I'm doing this. Just kind of stretch my hair apart and make sure the oil gets all of my strands. I'm just going to really coat it in. There you can see I'm finished with my oil. So now that I've gotten all 4 sections completely oiled down, I'm going to put on my shower cap and sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes or so. And just sitting under here for that length of time just really makes sure that my scalp and my strands really absorb all of those amazing oils I've put in my hair today. Now I'm going to jump in the shower, rinse out all of these oils from my hair, shampoo it and condition it, and then style it. As you can see here, my hair is so super shiny. It feels absolutely amazing. This was a much needed hot oil treatment, so much more manageable. And here are the results from today's twist out and hot oil treatment. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments box down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel.